Hello viewers, Sasa Lele sale will start on 8th of May for Plus and Black members and 9th of May for regular buyers. Many people are planning to buy tablets or iPads, so you must know the best price of each and every tablet so that you can buy your favorite tablet at the best price. The first tablet in the list is Redmi Pad 2 Pro. If you are planning to buy Redmi Pad 2 Pro, in that case the 128GB may be available at a price point of 24,000 rupees after discount, and for the 256GB you may have to pay around 26,000 rupees. The second tablet in the list is OnePlus Pad Go 2. If you want to buy the 128GB, in that case the best price would be around 24,000 to 26,000 rupees maximum. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case you may have to pay around 27 to 28,000 rupees. The next tablet is MotoPad Neo 60. If you are planning to buy the 128GB variant, in that case the best price would be 13,000 rupees, but I don't think you will get this pricing because they will raise the price. So if you get this pricing, that is 13,000 rupees, only then you can make the purchase, otherwise you should skip the tablet. The next tablet in the list is OnePlus Pad Lite. OnePlus Pad Lite is a very good tablet with decent battery backup, and also it is a very good tablet for students. The best price for this tablet will be around 13,000 rupees for the 6GB RAM variant, and if you want to buy the 8GB RAM variant, in that case the best price would be around 14,000 to maximum 15,000 rupees. Many people are eagerly waiting for iPad 11th generation, but they are not getting excellent pricing on this iPad. So for the 128GB variant, the best price would be around 29 to 30,000 price bracket. And in this sale you may get this pricing because this is a big sale in 2026. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP+. Many people actually eagerly waiting for this tablet, and they have teased that they will sell this tablet at around 38,000 rupees with discount. So if you get Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP+ at 38,000 rupees, you can definitely make the purchase. Many people are asking me about the price of iPad Air M3, but sadly there will be no offer on M3 on Flipkart.com, so you can wait for Amazon sale or you can buy another iPad. If you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case the best price would be 36,899 rupees, but I think this is on the higher side because many people have actually bought OnePlus Pad 2 at around 33,000 rupees for the 128GB variant, and in 36,000 they have bought the 256GB variant. So if you get 36,000 for the 256GB variant, only then you can make the purchase of OnePlus Pad 2. So these are the pricing of some of the tablets. If you have SBI credit card, in that case you can avail these discounts, otherwise you may have to pay another 1,000 to 2,000 rupees extra. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are planning to buy. I will let you know about the best offers whenever there is any leaks or rumors. So you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.